right. The ZJ is fully sitting on its own weight. It is technically driving. It's only front wheel drive right now because I only got the front drive shaft in. I measured incorrectly on the rear one, so the rear one is at a local drive shaft shop getting shortened really quick, and then we should have that back like this week. Right now, we are just trying to get more things knocked out. So we're going to do the notch flares. That's what the goal is today. I have no clue how much work that entails. I'm pretty sure it's a good amount. I've already cut the front just to get the tires on. The rear hasn't been touched. So yeah, that's what we're going to do today.
Big boy. Oh yeah.
Oh, that's gonna look so sick. Pretty close to the body too. Like they say to, like, once you get them installed, to put masking tape on the body and then like do Bondo, which is like body filler. Like, cause like this crack here, but like I don't think I care that much. Especially with the vehicle being black. I don't know that you're gonna see. Like if it was white and you saw a big black crack, you know, but yeah, we'll see.
Let's see if this fits.
Looks good. This one we got a little close to the door. What the heck? This is missing it by like literally. Look how close it is. That's really close, but it's not hitting it. So
Some just fell off.
yeah, probably dust or rust. Or the rear, I'm a little more concerned about. Let's see what that looks like. I'm not really sure what I'm cutting yet. Okay, so we got the rear door section on, so that's good in place. Now I'm doing the rear body section, I guess. So basically you cut all this out, you cut the outer fender well, and then you cut slits in the inner fender well and you bend them up and then weld it together. So there's definitely a lot of work goes into the rear. But should be worth it. It'll look really good. But right now it kind of sucks. We're getting there. We're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 slits away. So we're gonna keep chugging along.
Things are going well so far. Connor is making a lot of progress.
We're getting there. We got these big old beefy drive shafts from Adam's Drive Shaft. That company is awesome. They sent this to me in like 2 days or something, and they are all the way across the country. So totally custom length for me because I got the axle swap and custom ends, and I don't think I'm ever going to have a problem out of this. So I'm going to get it installed. So the cool thing about Adam's Drive Shaft is they sent me the drive shafts themselves, but then they also sent me this yoke. They sent me this yoke on the transfer case side and all the necessary hardware for those. So that was super cool, and it just makes life easy when you're putting in drive shafts to have everything you are going to need and not have to look for like U-bolts out of your parts pile or whatever. So yeah, super grateful for these dudes. You don't gotta keep filming this. I'm doing a half turn at a time. This is what the people want to see. Well, the first test drive made it about 10 feet out of the garage. I started driving away after we jumped it off. Started driving up this hill here and it felt like the transmission just quit working. But I think it was just the battery is that dead. So we're sitting here charging it with my wife's car, and hopefully we'll get to roll around in it. We'll see. All right, we just got back from test driving it. Everything seemed to do pretty good. Well, nothing's leaking. Nothing too crazy to report. There was a little weird noise seemingly coming from directly underneath us. Wondering if it's transfer case related. It wasn't really like a vibration. It was just kind of like a hum. Also could be the tires. I don't know, but I don't think it is. Steering is not happy about turning those 38s without hydro assist, so we've got to do that for sure. Yeah, overall it went really well. It's been months leading up to this, so yeah, can't really complain about anything. We had a successful test drive, so yeah, other than that, it all went well. We had a good time, and yeah, we're going to keep plugging away at it, but now at least it's, mobile under its own power. So thanks for watching.